from under the arm. Random surprise, another potential project coming to the shop right now. I'm going to look at it and I'm gonna channel my inner vice grip garage, because if I get this thing, I'm gonna see if the damn thing will start up and drive home. So tag along with me, this will be an experience. See you guys over there. Boys and girls, another one.
Another one.
So I did pick it up. I'm gonna try to drive this thing home. I have no clue what's wrong with it mechanically. I just know that from the short distance I drove from like a half mile of that to where I'm at here, the damn thing does not want to get over 30. So this should be very entertaining because I have an hour drive to get to the house. Like I said, this is a 2000 something BMW. It's got some damage. It is a ragtop. It's a 325i, I believe.
You were wrong again, Ernie.
Or 330i, 330ci, correction. See, I don't even know what I got. Bonded title. I did. Like I said, we got an hour drive. Oh man, guys, we're gonna have to pray for this, and I'm not even kidding. I'm about to get off the camera, and I have my wife following me. A couple tools, we'll see. But I definitely have to pray to the Father for this. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put you guys in the car, and we'll just see how this trip goes, man. What do you think about the car, dear, before we get on the road?
Awful, I hate it.
Are y'all like energetic about this?
I think it's awesome.
You think it's awesome? What about you, Bubba?
I think it's not.
He tells the truth. What about Mama?
It's a project, that's for sure.
That is for sure. Hey, at least with this one, at least with this BMW, it's kind of running.
Yeah, at least you don't have to push it.
Running-ish. All right, let's get on the road. We'll see how this goes.
Five minutes later.
All right, so it left me stranded on the side of the highway. I think this motor is hurt, which I knew the motor was hurt, but I didn't think it was gonna be hurt this bad. What I did is I brought a tow strap. I don't know if you guys can see that. The wife is so thrilled. We're gonna do a flat tow for like 30 freaking minutes, and hopefully at least see if we can make it to my in-laws in Royce City. So now I'm gonna call her. We gotta orchestrate flat towing. This is always a challenge. Tag along. Okay, sorry the camera died, you know, because that was an hour haul and that's a lot of time lapse, as you guys saw if you made it through it and made it to this point. But anyway, huge shout out to my wife. Thank you.
Yeah, boy.
You're welcome.
Did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah.
How much fun did you have doing that?
It was stressful. Okay.
How'd the truck do? How'd old girl do? Other than us picking up a new nail.
Yeah, she did great.
What'd y'all think? Did y'all have fun?
It was fun. Also, I kept waving at Daddy.
Yeah? I saw you. Well, anyway, we made it to the house, back to the car. This thing is filthy, so first and foremost, it needs a bath. Again, I don't know if I said at the beginning of this, but I bought this sight unseen. Like, I had a little bit of information about it and some photos. So, I mean, I knew a little bit about it. It wasn't complete, like, just blind, you know, into this deal, but it was still sight unseen in my opinion. This window is off the track, so there's that. Oh, look. Could just done that. It is filthy inside and out. When I started driving this, what I ran into on the side of the road is I had checked the oil and there was none. I'm really concerned about this motor. I really truly am concerned about this motor because I was told that the guy I got it from, he was like, oh, I think it's a blown head gasket. I don't think it's a blown head gasket because the time it was running out there was, you know, quite some time and the temp never climbed up. I'm not saying it doesn't, I haven't got that far, but there was definitely nothing on the dipstick when I checked the oil on the side of the highway. Now I've got this project, and you know what, I'll go ahead and say it. The reason I got this is because I decided not to do anything with the white car. That's a beautiful car. It got a ton of potential, it has a ton of potential potential. It's just I don't have the funds that car needs. So I was like, oh, well, this one runs, so I'll get this one. Well, I'm still not entirely sure that that's a great idea. So this may end up being on Marketplace before too long as well, but I don't know. I mean, those of you who know anything about drift cars, because I was like, if I'm gonna daily this, I was gonna cut it up anyway and wide body it, you know, and like probably put it on air. But with how rough this thing is, I mean, I'm like, maybe this would be a good little candidate for a convertible little drift car. I mean, put a cage in it and send it, you know what I mean? But anyway, brought home more junk. Hope you guys may have been entertained by it if you made it this far. Yeah, like I said, I guess next video, I'll just dive into it, see what's going on with it, and go from there. But if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it as always. Please get in the comments, let me know what you would do with it.
Throw it away, man. Pretend like you never got it.
You probably would have left it where it sat, which would have been the smart thing to do and probably what I should have done. But please like this video and do, you know, all that right there. I gotta go in and let my wife know how much I appreciate and love her. Hey, we'll see you guys on the next one.